Mustafa, but my friends call me Mustafino. Today I want to tell you something super important. Laughter. Did you know that laughter is not just for fun, but it's just like laughter is not just for fun, but it's also really good for our health? First of all, I really love to laugh. Whenever I laugh, it makes me feel like flying without any wings. It makes my body happy and my heart feels lighter than a feather. And guess what? Scientists say that laughter is just like a medicine for our bodies. And when we laugh, our bodies releases a chemical called endorphins. These endorphins are like superheroes that fight off bad feelings and makes us feel awesome. So when you're feeling down or stressed, just laugh it out. But wait, there's more. Laughing does not only make us feel good on the inside, but it also makes our body stay healthy on the outside. And when we laugh, our muscles relax and our heart gets stronger and stronger, and our immune system gets a boost. Next time when you catch a cold, just laugh it away. But now let me tell you a secret. Did you know that laughter is contagious? That means that when we laugh, everyone around us will laugh with us. So let's spread laughter and make this world a happier, healthier place. In conclusion, my friends always remember to laugh every day. So it's not just for fun. It's like a superpower that makes us feel happy and stay healthy at the same time. So let's all be laughing superheroes that giggle our way to brighter, happier futures. Thank you for listening, and always remember to laugh every day. Ha 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 ha.